Okay, this quick video will show you how to use Minitab to work the regression problems from Chapter 11. So I'm in Minitab and I've got the data set opened up, and I'm going to go ahead and use the data from problem 11.5, which looks at how the monthly temperature is related to the pounds of steam used per month. So go to Stat, Regression, Regression, Fit Regression Model. The responses are the Y variables, and so we're going to be using usage, trying to predict usage based on the temperature. While you're here, if you go ahead and go into the graphs, you're going to need these graphs later, so go ahead and click on these three graphs here because you'll use those in a later problem. And then just hit OK and OK. And those graphs are here. I'm just going to go ahead and minimize those. Those will come up in a later question. So if you scroll back up here, you will see the regression output. So here's the analysis of variance table right here. Some of the things you're going to work on are going to ask you for the estimate of sigma hat squared, which is going to come from right in here. So if you take the adjusted sums of squares and divide it by the degrees of freedom, that's your estimate of sigma squared. Some of the other things you'll use out of here are, here's the little t on the t statistics on the y-intercept, the constant. Okay, there's the coefficient, there's the standard error, there's the t-value and the p-value. Likewise for the slope. Here's the equation of the regression line. So for this one, the usage is predicted by negative 6.34 plus 9.2084 times the average temperature. The other thing that you'll use Minitab to do, is to do things with correlation. So if I go back to basic stats, and correlation, and I'm going to do those same two variables. I'm going to select the temperature and the usage. And when we do a correlation coefficient, there is no x and y, there's just two variables. Do the display p-values, and that will give you what the correlation coefficient is and what the p-value is associated. And you'll also have problems to work in Chapter 11 using that. That's really all you need out of the Minitab output. Everything I did here will help you. One other thing, the r squared for the model is right here. It's another question that you'll have. And I think that's all you'll need. I'm trying to think if there was anything else. Oh, the f value is used too. At one point, you're going to take the f value, which is this divided by this. Yeah, I think that's it. There's your f right there, 2.97. So good luck with your homework.